Grist Mill project is our first using the composite girder. You want to build structures that are going to be long-lasting. If you use a composite type of reinforcing GFRP, then you eliminate all the issues that go with corroding steel.
The purpose of the CT girder design was to really reinvent the way we use composites. The goal was to learn from everything we've done over the last many decades in composites and come up with the next big thing. The whole design effort was, how do I make it lighter? How do I make it easier to ship? How do I make it faster to erect? And the fact that it lasts longer. Instead of building 2 bridges, you're building 1 bridge. And that's, you've cut your environmental footprint significantly.
Contractors spend a lot of time not only in figuring out how to put a bridge together, but also how to put it together safely and to keep their employees safe. The fact that these things go together fast and easy reduces the risk to the contractor.
The speed in which we can move them around and manipulate them, spin them, hold them is very simple because of the weight.
I love new products. I've gained a lot of faith in composites and this type of technology over the last year and a half of watching this system done. There's really no guesswork. We know what the materials in these girders are. We know how strong they are.
What they're doing today is they're creating a module. They're taking 2 of the girders and linking them together and then installing the utility pipes. And then they're going to lift that module into place. Step 2 is to put the center girder in. And then step 3, which would be the final step, is to set the other 2 upstream girders in the same method that they're doing these downstream girders.
It feels good to make some history. We are a believer in this product. Our bridge engineers asked to use this. There's a sustainableness about this girder, not as energy intense as other products. People are going to start to really think about sustainable products. There's a lot of studies going on right now about construction emissions, and I think you're going to see that they're higher than we all thought. Part of our obligation as departments of transportation is to really extend the life of our bridges moving forward and using materials that may be innovative or new and seeing what they do for us.
The public's demand for more sustainable practices and technology is growing rapidly. The girder is the standard operating equipment for building most small to medium-sized bridges. From the standpoint of a policy objective, particularly in the climate change, sustainability arena, this technology is going to be in demand in the future.